Hi guys, welcome back to Squishy and Slime Queens, and today, finally, me and Keshni are doing our first video together.
Hi guys, and I'm pretty excited for this video, and I think you should be too.
So we are on Roblox right now, and we are playing Adopt Me. I'm the parent, and this is my little daughter, Keshni. Now, let's try and get you a father. Where's that guy going? Guy, come back! Come back! Okay. Maybe that
just a goat with a big head.
Okay. Maybe that could be a task for later.
Yeah.
So, let's first... Okay, let's go look in the baby shop. Anything you want? A beagle rattle?
Beagle rattle? Yes, can I have the beagle rattle?
Okay.
Beagle.
What colour?
What colour? A pink one. Pink.
Okay, I don't know. Yeah, that one. There you go.
Look at me, Mama. I'm at the top. Whoa.
Here you go.
Beagle rattle, beagle.
Okay. Look, it leaves a cold trail behind it.
Ooh.
Come back.
Fascinating.
Come here. Come here.
Yuck. Hate this.
You have
Grab
to.
that formula.
I just bought your baby rattle that was $175. You better be happy with yourself.
Yes, I am, but that Baba formula is very disgusting.
I know it's disgusting, but it helps you, like, you know, not have colds.
Really?
Yeah, because if you had a cold, you wouldn't be able to go out, and you wouldn't be able to eat. You wouldn't be able to go and stroke the nice beagles in the park.
Okay. I eat. Look at my rattle.
So nice. Let's go on.
Where are we going now, Mama?
Going to the grocery stores, darling.
Yum.
Can't get up on the curve. There we go. Okay, let's do that.
Grocery store.
Okay, I'm gonna look down this aisle.
Chocolate milk. Yum.
Have you bought anything?
Not yet.
Okay. Do you want anything?
I just got some chocolate milk.
Okay. Make sure to drink that up. Do you want some fruit?
No, fruits are yucky.
A taco? Sandwich?
I just got some cake.
Cheese?
Cheese?
An apple?
No.
Some ham? A pie?
No.
A pie in the pie? Soda? Chocolate milk?
No,
Water? Watermelon?
I don't want anything. I'm going.
Right, come. There you are.
Yeah. Can we ride my baby car?
Your baby car?
Yeah, my pink baby car. Can we ride it?
You want to ride that pathetic car?
It's not pathetic. It's a baby car.
Okay, in a minute, okay?
Okay.
Imagine having this house.
Too big. I don't like it.
I can get it.
No, not that one.
I got it.
I don't. This house. No. No, it's horrible. No.
Give it a chance. Wow. Kashani, isn't this amazing?
What is amazing? This smelly house? No, it's horrible. I don't like it. I'm gonna go. I'm running away. In my baby car, I'm running away. Bye bye.
Hey. Get back here.
Baby car.
Oh, no, not again.
I'm gonna park it here where Mommy can't find me.
Really?
Mommy can't find me. I'm hiding.
No, you're not.
Mommy won't ever be able to find me. Will she?
Where's he gone? I'm just gonna wait by her car.
My baby car.
So,
No.
I'm just gonna sit in it.
Just gonna steal it. Where's my baby car? She's in my baby car.
I wanna get in.
Baby car, yay! We're riding in my baby car.
But we have like the richest people in town. We have a mansion.
Well, I don't like my smelly mansion.
It's not yours, it's mine.
We're going where I wanna go.
Where do
Do
you
you
wanna
know
go?
where I wanna go?
You wanna go on the hot air balloon?
Not yet. I wanna go somewhere else first. Wait, no. First I wanna do this. Oh, there's like a guy with bacon on his head. Disgusting.
It's coming to bake.
There.
Don't you wanna go and do the hot air balloon?
I wanna get ice cream.
The heck
This
of
is
the...
Bubble Bobby. You look so ugly. I'm better than you.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. You didn't hear
Darling.
me.
Don't be mean.
I am innocent. You didn't hear me. You didn't hear anything. You have nothing against me.
Okay.
And I just got my own ice cream because I'm a big girl. So
I'm gonna get my own ice cream. Better than yours.
are you sure? Mine has chocolate on it. Chocolate.
So does mine. And mine has pink and purple.
Mine has a vanilla.
Vanilla's stupid. You don't have the pretty one.
Well, guess what?
What?
I have two.
Well, mine's still better because it's bigger. Hey, you want to be friends with this girl?
No, she's like, look at her. She's so
From
ugly.
Poland.
She has a paycheck. Maybe I can steal it from her.
Maybe she'll give it to me because I am like
Okay, I'm gonna go outside, Mummy, where you can never find me. What's this? Can I escape in this? No, it's only for adults.
Oh no, like me. Wait, let's go on the hot air balloon. No, it's departing. No! That was all your fault. Where's it gone?
I'm in the nursery.
Oh, nice.
I have magic teleportation.
Oh, nursery.
Can we go on the hot air balloon next?
You just missed it. But where are you?
Well, we're
Here.
waiting, okay, Mummy.
Yeah.
Oh, you someone pushed me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Eat your food.
Ew, who's this ugly one?
Ooh, ugly.
Pick me up now.
Ugly.
Now.
Okay, I'm trying, okay? Give me a minute, like...
Thank you, Mummy. Don't fall in the river like the clumsy person you are.
Clumsy.
Ew, she invited me to be part of a family. Like, no, I don't want to be part of a geek's family. Like, ugh. Disgusting.
Geek.
Ew, another guy just
I
invited
know,
me.
they're like... What the heck? I know we're attractive, but like, we can give you some tips. Like, what?
Where's the hot air balloon? I've been waiting for like 2 hours.
Don't worry, darling. Don't worry. It'll come. You're paying, right?
No, you're the parent.
Okay.
What are you doing? Where's the hot air balloon, Mommy?
It's only up there. It's coming. It's coming. Don't worry, darling. It's coming. Don't want to be
Where is it then?
It takes a while. Like, it doesn't take a while. It takes like a minute.
Someone keeps inviting me to their family.
Are they pushing us? It's coming. It just left the island. It's coming. There's a lot of people here.
You have to get the front seats or I'm going to be very sad.
Okay. I'm sorry. Here it is. We are gonna...
It looks so cool. Okay, get that front seat now.
Seat is reserved? For who?
And get the second front seat. I don't care.
Okay, I bought it.
Honey, you're waiting.
I'm sorry, it was reserved.
Taking off.
Only in 50 seconds. I don't know.
Why do you reserve seats? Well, no one cares.
Someone else. I don't know, ask someone else.
Oh, there's a guy with bacon on his hair. Can you see him? He's on the 4th row.
Ew! And there's another one.
Oh, like he's asking for a family. No, you're not getting a
It's the
Look
mama.
at that girl next to me. She looks so ugly.
Don't worry, you are
I look so much cuter.
You are so much better. Oh, there's a bacon hair on my shoulder.
Ew, get away, bacon. Well, he didn't pay, so he's just gonna get right off, isn't he?
Ew, get away, bacon. It's departing, so you...
Now he's gonna fall right off, and I'm gonna watch this.
Oh, it's been sponsored by me! See, Mummy is a good girl.
Is she?
Yeah, I made it so, like, everybody will love you, because, like, you're the daughter of a famous mum.
Ew, there's a bacon person on here. I hate bacon.
Don't worry, he's very far away from us. I will not let him... What are you saying?
I'm not saying that. This girl next to me was saying.
Ew.
Devlin girl. It'd be called Devil Girl because she really looks like one.
Hola.
Mama, I'm better than every other child on here because they're
Very true.
Yes, I know, right, Mummy? You just got to admit with me.
We're nearly there.
Wow! I'm really excited. This is my...
Do you want to go do bungee jumping?
Yeah, but I want to do it after I had some, like, potion. Ew, there's like an ugly acorn person. Princess Marty. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy some potion.
Levitation potion.
Oh, why is my head gone all big? I just drank a potion. No.
The potion's called Big Head Potion. Look, I have a big head as well. Look, come here. Let's go do bungee jumping.
No. I just want this one. No, actually, no, I don't. Okay, let's go do some bungee jumping.
It's called bungee, not bungie.
No, it's Bumby.
Bumby. Okay.
Jumping.
Can you stop getting off my arms?
Well, I'm a big girl, so ew, there's bacon and yes.
Okay, let me pick you up. Don't worry, I don't want you getting anywhere near So do not get off me, because I do not like you need to be infected.
By bacon,
I know. They're like, oops.